What is the formatting text? What is the tags in the formatting text? So how can I comment? So this is the comment. So I'm going to open this file path and opening the file. So let me if you have any problem with audio. So now we don't have anything, we have only the title is training session. Okay, so now we are today discussing formatting text. We have some formatting text options like is a B tag. It means it's a bold tag. So tell me why you are using. So if you have some knowledge in Word document, then you can that these formatting options, bold, italic, underline. That's we are calling formatting text tags or else elements. So bold tag and also have strong. So this should be also gives bold text format, but we can call here as a important bold tag is here. So both work same, but if you have more important in the application, you can use this tag. So a number of times you can use it both tags. It's not a problem. Okay, based on your requirement, you can use this. So I tag it means uh, italic. I for italic tag, and also this is em. So em for ampersand. Sorry if the spelling is wrong, just check it. Ampersand something. Okay, so both will gives the italic format, but this should be important tag in this one. So important tag means nothing. You can use instead of I tag, you can just use this em. So it means 10% will give you. Okay, so and go to mark tag. Use it to add some mark in our text. Both will these tags work for only text. Okay, so both these all for only text, not for this image and everything. It should not work. It is only for text formatting options. It works only for para text, so any kind of content, but only it should be should be in text format only. Okay, and small tag, so it gives you small text, small size of text. And you can go to del tag. It means it's a deleted tag, deleted format type. And go to sub, so it means a subscript tag. So, and same thing sup, it should be superscript tag. So these tags we have the formatting options. Okay, as of now I commenting everything. So let me check which tag how it works. Okay, so now I am adding some content in the paragraph, or else we can add directly, no problem. So going to, so let me take a dummy text, or else we can use something I'm using some paragraph tag, or else we can directly without paragraph tag, it's no matter. So okay, so ending must should be end. In this one I'm using good morning idea team. So if you are going here, see it's only displaying good morning idea team text. Okay, so now I am changing this idea should be bold. Only this idea or text need to change the bold format. So in that case I can use directly is a B tag. Where can I close here? Is it correct? No. So we must close after the content, or else if you close it here, got this content and paste it here. So it means this idea should be in bold format. So go it here and refresh. Did you observe it? They should be in bold. Okay. So same thing I'm copying this same paragraph. I'm pasting here. So instead of bold tag, I am changing this one to strong tag. See, there is no difference. Is it clear? Only use it for the strong gives some rich look. Bold is a it's a old tag. That's the difference basically. So it's a we can call as a important. So that's the reason. Okay. So ask me if you have any doubts. So now I have to change this theme to ampersand mode. Means it's a italic mode. So can I add one more tag is here? Is it possible?
Yes.
Possible. Yes. Why? Because it's a nested elements. We can add in the p tag. This is a bold tag, and also we can use I tag. It's a italic tag. See, so the text should be changed into italic. Okay. So this is normal text, and this is a italic mode text. So here, just observe this p tag inside these tags, bold tag and I tag. I tag means it's a italic tag, or else we can use ampersand. Both tags will work same. See, there is no difference. Both works the same. Okay. So here we are calling this is the parent element. Is our terminology. P tag is a parent element. This is a child element. So paragraph is a parent element for the bold tag. Okay. Or else we can call bold tag is a child element to the paragraph tag. Understand the terminology? So this is the parent. So instead of so this nested elements, what if I have the main tag, we are calling his parent tag, and inside tags we are calling child tags. Okay. So this we have done with strong tag, italic tag, and ampersand tag. Now we are going to use mark tag. So what I'm thinking, I need to apply idea should be in bold and italic both. How can I add? So as of now, idea is bold and team should be in italic. But I want idea should be bold and as well as italic. Any idea?
You can add two tags at this time.
Where can I add? Outside of B
Before
tag?
idea, before after B tag.
So why can I add this before B tag? So both ways are works. No problem. Okay, because we said this is a nested element. We can write any type of formats. That's not a problem. Okay, so I'm adding is here italic close tag. So now what is the parent tag for the italic tag?
B bold
Bold. So the bold.
bold tag.
No. How many types? How many parent tags for the italic tag? Two. One is the bold is the parent as well as
Paragraph.
Paragraph.
paragraph is the parent. Yes.
Paragraph.
Yes. That's. So if you go it here, see there should be in bold and italic. I'm just see here. I am changing this. I tag is first. And strong tag inside. See. I'm refreshing. So both should be work. Okay, you can write this is very compatibility. So you are based on your complexity. The most you no need to remember these tags. So particularly you have only some tags need to. For example, we discussed yesterday. Don't use heading tags in paragraph. That kind of very less tags have some particular formats. So otherwise we can use any way of this HTML. There's no problem. You can write any tag. But see, here I am using first bold tag after italic tag. The closing how it should. I am closing B tag is here. I tag is here. Is it correct format? This don't confuse is here. If I go to refresh, it's working fine. But if you go to check the standards violation, it should be error. Because first tag what we are opening, bold tag.
Bold.
So, but we are closing bold tag. That should be fine. Close tag is there, but where is it closed? In the inside bold tag we have I tag. After bold tag need to close. So that's the reason we are firstly closed I tag, and after this bold tag. So I am removing this. So don't forget this format. This is very important. So most of the people do the mistakes here only. Okay, so next I'm copying this again. So now I am using mark tag. For example, IDEO IT solutions. So mark tag, I have to mark the solutions. So I just use mark tag. It should be mark format is, so most of the tags are HTML4. This mark tag should be HTML5. See, the solutions is in selected mode. It's a highlighter. Okay, so mark tag use, we can highlight anywhere in the text. Okay, these all tags don't work any images, any kind of input boxes. These all text formatting tags works with only for content only. Content means it's a text. Okay, is it clear? Mark tag. Small tag, I need to change this. Good morning is, it should be in small tag, so I am adding small tag. Can I add all tags for a single word? Is it works? See, I'm going to small, it should be in small compared with this above one. It means the font size little bit is decrease. So these all tags are very helpful in the CSS, because every time we don't write this colors and everything will handle with parent class only. So that's the reason I'm saying here parent and child relation. So must remember this one. Okay. So just you have to remember these tags must should. So what is the strong tag? What is italic? Where can we? So we'll see where can we use later. But what is the tag first? What is the uses of this tag? So deleted format. So basically delete format. Why you are using basically? So for example, I'm take p tag. Without p tag also you can write it here. Okay. So I'm copying same text, or else uh, offer, for example. So this example, so this is the offer, for example. So have some like this kind of text. I have to mark this one. I mean, I want to delete format this one. This it means okay, this the price is not should be 4,000, it should be 3,000. So in that case, what I use delete tag for this one. See how it's come. It's a overline. So it's a cross line is there now. So did you observe thing? And zooming it. See, so this is a delete tag. It means it's a deleted text. So this kind of such way we are using this delete tags. Okay. So and this date formats and other formats will use this remaining tags. So we can write this delete tag anywhere, not only instead of mark. I can write delete tag. Where can use? We can use, but some cases where when using, I mean, this offer times or else any particular heading we need to highlight, in that cases we are using these tags. That's enough. Okay, for example, I'm going to write some November 14 2020. Let's see. So I did not have this as of now I didn't add any tag. So this is basically default text I'm displaying in paragraph tag. So the th should be go to top in the date format. So if you go to observe, it goes a little bit top. So in that case we are using superscript. Right. See, only I need to go th only top, right? So I am adding this tag for the tx text. So go it here, refresh. See, the th should be go top. Okay, this is the uses of the superscript, and the same thing was the subscript. Superscript will go to the top of the text and subscript gives the bottom of the text. See, here TS should be in bottom, it is the top. This is the difference for the subscript and superscript. So is it clear this tags? Any doubts?
It's clear.
Yeah. So just ask me if you have any doubts. So most of the people is there. Okay. So if you have any doubt, just ask me. So I will explain you for if you have for the any tag or else any definition if you have any problem with that. Okay. So now this is the formatting tags. Okay. As well as we have some quotation tags. Like simple, we have only one tag in the quotation. It's a Q tag or else black quote. We call black quote, or else we can simply the Q tag. Both will work with the same. Like strong and italic. How can we add? So strong and bold. How can we define the same thing? Black quote and Q. So this will give some formats. See, I'm copying here the text. I removed entire tag. So I'm adding, for example, Q tag. I'm ending is here. So Q tag. Okay. So it means a quotation tag. So it should be gives the this quote double quotes. It will give the Q tag. Okay. Same thing. We'll try with the black quote. Just change the tag name is. We must remember these tags. Mostly we have, I said yesterday, 50 or 60 tags we have in HTML. You must remember this tag. See, black quote if I add, so it gives you the left space. Means it why we are using this like kind of paragraphs. So para should start always some left space. See, I have two paragraphs. So I remove this one. I use one paragraph. Copy this text and paste it here and close the beta. So go it here. So this is the text. Okay. So same thing I have. I'm taking one heading H2. For example, dummy text. I'm adding the heading H2. See, this is heading and this is the description. So what I'm saying, I need to move the description from starting here, little bit of from the left gap. So in that case, I added here black code. It gives a little bit of left space. We can also add this left space with the help of CSS, but in the tag also we can use like this. See, it should be starting from here. So we cannot adjust this space. It gives automatically the browser. So if you want particularly starting from here, in that case we must use CSS. So black quote means it gives the spacing from the left. So Q tag, why it gives? It's a quotation tag. It gives double quotes for the text. So is it clear? These are only have text tags. All are heading, paragraph tag, and these formatting tags. This completely you have the tags in the HTML only for the text. Hope everyone is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So shall I remove this thing? Okay. So I'm going to remove this one. If you want, I will send this commented section in the chat.
Yes, sir. We need notes.
You want to send complete document?
Yes, please
Oh,
send it.
yes.
Yeah, it's fine. You just copy and paste and save it somewhere. Then you can check after when you are
Thank you.
where it's used to in your practice session.
Thank you.
So now, so I just am remembering here. See, I don't have any content in the browser. I'm going to refresh this here. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you one important thing now. So just a minute, please. Okay, just a minute. Sorry, guys. Okay. So now, can you hear?
Yes, we can hear you.
So now I'm telling one important topic. So we can tell this one in CSS, but okay, I'm now telling you. So that's very easy. It's a folder structure for the every project. It's very important because you don't save any. I'm saving this file in home.html desktop and another file I have in the D drive. Some drive. Don't save files like that. So because everyone don't have the same drives. So if you in your system you have D drive and F drive, I have a G and C like that. So in that case we have facing lot of problems. So this will very helpful to you. So folder structure. Okay. So folder structure you can choose your any drive. It's not a problem. So going here, okay, I'm creating one folder in the F drive, new folder, training session or training. Okay, so in this folder, for example, this is your project or else, okay, so this is your drive. So now I'm going to create one folder with the project name must because you have a lot of projects in your PC. So the project name, so for example, session is a project name, okay, or classes project name. In this classes we have lot of files. So tell me the files means we can compulsory structure it is. One is the, so you can have PSD files most of the people, or else XD files, or else images, JPGs. You can keep all this in this folder. Okay, and also everyone have must your documents for the content where client gives the documents, that should be must keep a folder in the documents. And also these are basically two files, and also we have our file HTML. You can give as a name HTML to the your folder, I mean your development folder, or else you can call as a website or else web, you can give so as your comfort. Okay, so these three folders, and also if you have any files in the reference folders, then you can use one more folder. So don't forget this structure, it's very important. So keep as a, this folder structure must. In the website we have our files. Okay, in the website, so tell me what files we have for each website. Basically we have some files. Any idea? Each website have some files.
Photos.
Okay, I'm going to copy this folder. I'm going to save as. So I mean I'm saving this home.file in website. Okay, so don't save first page with the home name, must should save index. So I will tell you why you change, why you are using index only, I will tell you. So we are calling the home page should be a index page and also main page or else default page we are calling is here. So must say with the page name. So see, so training is your branch, classes is your project name. So in the project we have some documents and PSD files and reference files something, and also our website development is there. I'm going to website. In the website you have index file, and also website what files we have, images. Every website have images, right? And also every website have CSS, and also every website have some JavaScript or else JS. Right? This is the folder structure you have to say must and important. Okay. See, if I have a lot of project in my PC, I'm showing to you. So here is the project. Okay. So if you go any project, you must should the folder structure. See, this is the base. So this is a web. In the web, we have again I have subfolders. So in the web, see, this is the HTML files, this is CSS file, some fonts, images, JavaScript. Like, so must structure your project name. Okay, this is very simple thing. Just we are creating folders only. So CSS you keep only this folder, images you can keep this in images folder. You can create folder inside of inside. That's not a problem. In images folder you can again create home page images, inner page images. That's not a matter. But image is a path folder. Okay. So is it clear the folder structure?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes. So now I am opening this file, edit with Notepad++. Okay. So I just double click on it. So okay. Now I'm closing this whole file. So this is our index file. Okay. So we are working this index file is here. So today I'm going to tell you attribute tags. Now I am next topic is attributes. So what is attributes? So attributes means it gives you additional information for the basically all HTML tags have attributes. Yes. Please ignore if I write any spell mistakes. So okay. So all HTML tags have attributes. So why you are using attributes? It helps to give some additional information. Okay, so some HTML tags won't work without attributes. Not only, for example, H1 paragraph tag don't need of any attribute, it works. But some tags don't work without some tags, or tags we can call is here elements. Okay, so some tags does not work without attribute. So without attributes, some tags does not work. We'll see what the tags, what is attributes. Is it clear? What is the attributes? So every HTML tag has a some attributes. The attributes used to what is the use of attributes is give some additional information. Okay. So what is the syntax of the attributes? What is the syntax for the attributes? Okay. So syntax is name, attribute name. Here name means attribute name equal to in the double quotes. Don't forget double quote, or else you can write single quote. If you forget this double quote single quote, that attributes won't works. So in the double quotes, here your attribute value. This is the syntax. Simple. So this is the name means it's attribute name. This value is attribute value. So name you can use. We have every uh, tags have some names and some values. We'll see how it works. Okay. First of all, I'm going to tell you link tag or else anchor tag. Is this clear? Right? So now I'm going to give an example for this one. So tell me the anchor tag. So anchor tag, or else we can has call hyperlink tag. So can anyone guess syntax? Main tag. Simple. So anchor means you know the first letter A tag. Okay. So anchor tag gives you the anchor links. So users of this tag, we can redirect one page to another page, or else we can open any page with the click. Okay. What is the users? We can redirect, or else we can go to another page, or else one page to another page with the help of anchor tag. Okay. So see, now I am adding one anchor tag, close anchor tag. I am adding something XYZ text, or else okay, we'll add some text. Click here. Yeah, spacing. Okay. So click here. So if I enter this, browser will take these spaces.
No,
No, it won't.
If I
no,
giving
it won't take.
these spaces, browser will calculate.
No, no.
Yesterday I said.
No, it won't take.
So this space is not calculated in the browser. See, if I adding some more enter spaces, so this should be not taken. So if I add like this space, it's not taken. We already discussed yesterday, right? So I'm doing. So am I addable? No one is responding to
Yes,
me.
sir.
Yes, it's audible.
Hello.
Sir, can you hear
Hello?
us?
Yes, you are
Can you
audible.
hear you?
Yeah, audible.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we can hear you.
can hear you, sir.
Hello. Can you hear you?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, we can hear.
So so in the previous you did not hear you.
You were audible.
We heard you, but
So did you this attribute as everything is?
Yeah,
Are
now
you?
your voice is a little
Yes,
bit
sir, we are clear.
going.
Oh, sorry. Just 1 second. So is it clear with attributes?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. 1 second. Because I'm asking so many times questions, but no one respond. That's why suddenly shocked. 1 second. See, is my voice clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's clear.
yes.
Yes, I changed Bluetooth. Okay, now it's fine. So okay, so now we are in anchor tag. Okay, so anchor tags will give to the or else we can call hyperlink, or else anchor tag. We can both we can call as a terminology. So this tag gives to the reference hyperlink, or else hyper reference also we can call h reference, hyper reference, something we can call. So this is help to go to one page to another page, or else we can go any page. Not only if you click where you want to go, you can go from here. Okay. So if I enter so many spaces, the browser will calculate these spaces.
No,
No,
it
it
won't
won't.
calculate.
Yes, that's fine. So this should be only in our sorry, it is the call. Yeah. So now if I'm trying to click, it's not working anything, right? Because so we don't have anything, so we have only the static text is here. So if I try to click it, it is selecting, but nothing is going on. So in that case, the attribute selectors are very helpful to us. So here, to what is the syntax for attribute? So name equal to value. Okay, and one more point is, so all attribute selectors are will used only in start tag. I mean, so don't use here the attribute name. Okay, we need to use only the from the start tag only. So here, so the attribute name equal to value, double quotes. Okay, so see here the name should be in red color. This is a editor option. Okay, so name equal to value, this is a attribute. Okay, so here name equal to value, what is the name and value? So name is the anchor tag for, I'm removing this one. Instead of name, I'm writing name means this is a syntax. Okay, only syntax. We are giving the properties is here. I'm changing to here href. It means h references, or else you can hyper references we are calling. So in this one, we are adding the path where you want to go. Okay, see, as of now, I keep empty. So name is a href and value is a empty. I am adding here. So if you go to the browser and refresh is here, see the underline is applying is here. So if you go to this one, the cursor changer has a hand symbol. So did you observe it? So it means this should be activated as a link. See, if I'm going to here, if I'm clicking is not, nothing is happening because we didn't give any suggestion to go somewhere to the browser to the this link. Okay, so now I am going to, for example, google.com. So I'm just what I'm saying, I'm copy this URL, I'm pasted it here. Okay, so now this href is a name and this is a value for the attribute. So href attribute used to give the hyperreference to the page. Okay, so if I go it here and refresh here, so just I moved it, click on it, I'm going to google.com. So is it clear? It means, so we are saying to the our click our link. So when I click on it, you have to go this URL. Okay, this is the definition. So see, if I mouse over on it, he observe here in the start windows above. Okay, so Jesse, mouse over on it. Did you observe the link http google.com?
Yes.
Yes, so you can find this way. If you have any links for the images, you can have anything. So you can use this. So if you go it here, so see, I added 2 clicks. One more click also I added here. So I did not add anything. I'm refreshing here. So it is side by side coming. What it means? We discussed yesterday. If it is come one by one, we are calling one name, or if it is come side by side. So if it is come side by side, this means it's a inline block load element, right?
Yes. Right.
So if it's come one
Yes,
after
sir.
one, if it is come one after one,
Block level element.
yes, block load
Block
element.
level.
Yes,
Block level elements.
right. Don't forget. Okay, so see, if I go first click here in the bottom means here. So see the what my cursor is there. Just observe this is here. When I mouse over on it, here showing www.google.com. Some what we are giving the href name, it is displaying. If you are going here, see what is displaying. The our website URL path. See, if I go, it is file f training classes website index.html. See, if you are not giving any path, it will take automatically our browser, our URL. I mean, it's local path. Okay. So if I adding by hashtag, it means it's a dummy link. Hashtag it here gives to dummy link. See href, save it. See, mouse over on it.
Okay.
After HTML, it giving hashtag. It means, so if I click the hash, see, it is displaying in the browser. Did you observe it?
Yes.
If I click it, the hashtag is displaying in the URL. If I click on it, this link displaying in the browser, google.com. Okay,
Yeah.
so this hashtag gives you a dummy link. Okay, so clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Now I'm going to give our local paths. So because, for example, I'm adding, this is a home page. So okay, so first of all, leave it as this is a hyperreference. I'm adding one more links in the paragraph tag. Why I'm adding paragraph tag is here? Because it's come one after one. Okay, so or else you can as a div tag. I will tell you the div tag, but only the simple div tag is a called division tag, and it will very helpful in entire application. Whole application is depending this tag because it's a complete nested element. I mean, you can write anything in the div, and also you can write any number of divs in the divs. Okay, so div tag is a division tag, or else I will explain you clear later in the next tag. As of now, I am using paragraph tag. Okay, so see, and also only of this one. See, if it is coming one side by side, I want to change one after one. How can I add a block element like p tag and something, or else we can have a break tag. It's a br tag. It means it's break the word here. So save it and click it. So break tag don't have end tag. Okay, so br tag will say break the line. And it don't have end tag. Okay, so what we discussed in yesterday, every tag has its end tags, but some tags don't end tags. Same thing this way. So in that case, we can directly like we can close it here in the HTML file. No need of code. We can directly close it here. But if you want, you can close it here. Both ways works. The previous version we can close it here, or else you can close directly BR. Both ways works. Okay, so back is a break the line. See, it is inline element to display block level element we change, but it works always. It's not works, we cannot use these break tags always, because it's if you are using dynamic website, some other website, we can handle with CSS only. Okay, so but as of now, you just keep in mind this break tag, you use it to break the line. Okay, so I am going to add here, for example, home page. Okay, so and I have one more two tags, about page, so order page. Okay, I have two pages. It's not changing. So refresh it. Okay, so I need more space. What can I do here? After click here, I need more space. I can add one more break tag. See, the space is, so you can add a number of break tags, so it will give you the more space. One break tag gives one line of break, and if you add two break tags, two lines of breaks. If you add three break tags, it will give three lines of breaks. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Okay.
So just
Oh, can you hear me? Just sorry, can you hear you?
yeah, I can
Yes,
hear
sir.
you.
Yeah, fine. So this is the break tag and anchor tag we discussed now. Okay. So if if I have to click on about page, I want to go about page. See, I am clearly mentioning here too which page we are. For example, in the body, I'm writing h1 tag. This is a home page. We are now home page. Save it here. Okay, this we are in home page. When I click on it about page, I want to go about page, right? But we don't have about page, right? So now we again created one more page, about page. Okay, so go to save as this file name and create one more thing, or else you can copy paste from here this one. You can create one more page. How can you write? So see, I'm copy and pasting it here, about us.html. I'm opening the same thing, the about us.html. So how many pages we have right now?
2 pages.
2 pages. One is index and second thing is about us. 2 pages as now we have.
About page.
So if I click about us page, I want to go about us page. So what can I do? I have to give the link to about, right?
Yes.
About. Is it works? See, it's showing error. Why? File not found. It means you have to check your path. So is this in same folder? Yes, the file should be all in same folder. So what meant we must to add extension. Okay, don't forget the extension. So again back. So I'm removing this hash. If you hash, it's not a problem. So again click on about us page. Again we are getting error. Why? See, I added extension also, but I'm getting error. Anyone observe? I did a
Name
mistake. I know that mistake, but
about us.
About A start.
yes, exactly. The name should be same with the file name. We are using is here about us, ABUOUT. The spelling should be same. We need to add about us.html, save. And now go it here, go back, refresh, click on the about page. See, now we are in about page, right? So again I have to come back, click on home page. I need to come home page. How can I add? What is the home page name? Index.html, right?
Home
I am
index.
adding index.html. Refresh. These logics are very important to, more than important to work. Logics are okay. You can see simple guys. You can learn this HTML, CSS, and Google also. If you go to the Google, you search something, you can find it every solution. But these logics you have to learn only from the learner also, or else it should come only with your practice. Okay, so code anyone can write the same tag. Everyone use that paragraph tag, heading tag. Everyone can do the same tag, but the way of doing is different. That you have to learn. Okay, so if I click, I already index link, index.html I added. If I am going to here, click on index. This is home page, right? Is it working? Not working. Why? Is there any spelling mistake? I know I do a mistake, but anyone observe?
Homepage it says index, right?
Yeah. Home page should be index.html. The file spelling index. Here our logics are very important. I have a way of thinking, because why it is not working? See, refresh and click on it. It's still not working. Right? Why means which page? What is the page name here? What is this page?
About us.
About us.
See,
About us.
URL. When I ask the page name, you must see check the URL only. About us.html, right? So don't use this hash. Just leave it
Yes.
hash. File name is aboutus.html, right?
Yes.
In the about
Yes.
in the aboutus.html, when I click on it, I want to
Homepage.
go index, but with links. Okay. Where I added this
In
index
what
home page. So how it works? Yes, these logics are very important. So I have to go about us page and add those links is here, right? So now added index.html, and also every page has the links. Don't use hashtag about us.html. The same page also we can use. Okay. See, I'm going to refresh here. I click in the home page. Now I back it. So go to about us page. I'm going to the about us. See the page name is here. You can easily understand. Click on home page. Now I'm on home page. Click on about us page. About us page. Again I'm clicking on about page. What happens? See, in a
spelling
home
about
page.
Spelling error.
Yes, in home page. Again I'm clicking home page.
Spelling.
It is fine. In about us page, fine. Yes, in the this page should also you have to write proper name, because we don't know client which page clicks. So if I refresh index.html, it should be fine. About us.html, it should be fine. Again clicking about us. Now it is the same URL. See, if I go to this one, the path should be in the bottom. About us.html. You have to observe only after last slash. Okay, the page name. So click here to this one. You have to go Google,
Google.
because we added a Google here. Yes.
Google.
So I just came back. So no worries, guys. I will purchase a new headphones today. So a little bit of noise is there in my side. So 1 second. So these are the attribute selectors. We have lot of attribute selectors. So it will take one more session for the attributes only. So today just practice this. Create 2 pages, 1 and 2 pages. Use this anchor tags, and as well as use what tags we have used in the previous
Formatting test.
formatting text, right? So use the tags and practice. We'll connect same day tomorrow. So I will send this code. Okay. So any doubts, guys?
That's all known as.
No, sir.
Yeah. So hope I'm clear everything. But as of now, I'm going to slowly. But and if you are done with more 2 sessions, I will get a little bit speed.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So just ping me in the team shot if you have any doubts. But it's a basic. I hope you don't have any doubts. But in the future, you must have some lot of doubts. Okay. So okay, guys, let's practice this one. We'll do attributes and another tags tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye. Bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.